Panty haul, sexy lingerie, women's underwear, cheap lingerie, sheer panties, transparent, see-through, lace, thongs, G-strings. Oh, wow, Diyos ko Lord, ba't ang dami? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roche. Today's video is going to be another affordable sexy lingerie, see-through, G-string, thongs, whatever you want to call it, all sexy lingerie haul. So it's going to be an unboxing. I don't know what's inside, and yes, so I got all the plastic here. Let's open it up. Diba parang kulang? Ba't kulang? It's again, dahil parang dalawa lang guys. I think the other one was back ordered. Okay, so pasensyahan nyo na. We only have two right now. Two panty haul. Two side by side, huh? Let's open. I hope this is good, better. First panty. That's it. Oh, white. This is beautiful. Wow. I like it, guys. Look at that. Lace. May pabaw pa siya. Wow. This is beautiful. Sexy G-string. Oh, look at the lubot. Pang Ivana. No. Ivana Alawi. Ivana Alawi talaga to, guys. So, no, definitely. Yeah. Dito pang Madonna, ha? Ivana, Kim Kardashian, yes. Definitely, definitely. Look at that, guys. Oh, di ba? Ang ganda-ganda niya. It's really perfect. Hey, perfect to siya. Alright, that's it. All these panties are from Shopee. It's very cheap. It's under $1. Prices are way below $1. It's affordable. And the last panty, you guys. This is just short kasi may camera is dying. The last one. Ay, parang nag-double yung mga order ko. Ano ba yun? Okay, guys, this is the panty, okay? Yan, again, see-through. May papolka dot siya, oh. Okay, yan, kita ang kaugmaon. Okay, let's do the detail and close-up, okay? Alright, here on like the G-string, thong, you know, stripper rin siya. Okay, polka dot, meshy type material. Okay, that's it. Alright, and that's it, guys. Very short panty haul. Kasi my camera is dying. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this women's lingerie haul of mine. And for more women's underwear, sexy panty haul, comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.